Loner 420. Happy 420 all. Saturday, beautiful sunny day. No jacket needed, shorts. It's just awesome out here. Again, happy 420 all. I gotta make this quick, just out with a bud. Doing a quick little hike. So, peace all. Signing out.